Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. As you guys know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash index. So if you are checking this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another wonderful strategy. So guys, I'm back with another strategy. This particular strategy, you can use it to what? To catch up a spike, and also you can also use it to what? To set down the market, like what you are seeing here on crash 1000. You can use this strategy to what? To set down the markets like this, and you can also use this to what? To catch up a what? A spike. As you can see now, currently now I'm catching up a what? A spike entry. You see that I'm catching up a what? A spike entry, which you are seeing currently now on my dashboard. So guys, let me explain the settings to you so that you also can set it up on your phone. So the settings of this strategy is only combine three things. We have the relative strength index, which is the period of one, and we have the apply to open, and we have our style in our background color. You see, this is our background color. I'm using white color, so you are going to be using the background that you are using. So if you are using black color, make sure that you have your black color at this area. And also I have a two level at this area, which is the level of 100 and 10. You see that they are very important level that you need to understand. So it works on boom 1000, it was on crash 1000, and other booms and crash index, boom 300, boom 500, they all works there. Then you press on done. Then now you are going to be moving to your dashboard. You are going to be seeing that moving average, you are going to be seeing that RSI, which is what you are having here, and you are going to be having what you are having at this particular level. So now let's check out the second um strategy. So you are going to be adding up your envelope by clicking on this particular spot again. You are going to click on this particular FX. You see, you are going to click on this, and you are going to search for what? Your envelope there. So inside your envelope you have your period of 75, and you have your shift to be 0. You have your next one to be 0.900, and you have a method to be in simple. You have apply to be close, and you have your upper band and lower band to be in this color. So you can choose any color of your choice if you don't want to use this particular color. So then you press on done. Now you are going to click again on this same FX plus that you see here, and you are going to be searching for moving average. So if you search for moving average, it's going to bring you a moving average. You see this, so it's going to bring out we are going to be using the period of 1, and we are going to be using shift of 0, method to be simple. We have apply to close, and we have our style in this particular color. So done. When you will have everything the same I have it here on my chart. You see, the same way I have it here on my chart. You see what the profit is now. Currently now I'm over even advent $10. You see, $10, above $10 per each trade I take. You see that. So I'm going to explain details how you can trade with this strategy successfully on boom 1000 1 minute time frame. So you can only use this strategy on 1 minute time frames. Don't go beyond what I said. So you just use 1 minute time frames. So now what you are going to be doing every time you want to trade this particular strategy, especially when you want to catch up a spike, what you are going to be waiting for is you see, you are going to, let me first say that you are going to adjust your screen to your main charts like this. You see that you can control this particular chart, so you are going to shift it to the last area, this particular area, last area here, last area here. So this is where you are going to be setting it up to, and once you see that, you see this particular trade, you see where they are, you are going to be confirm your entry at this particular area. You see now. So once your moving average, which is the green line that is shown here, we see this is our moving average, and these two here we are seeing the upper and the lower is our envelope band that we are seeing there. So what you are going to be see is that at this particular area now, I can quickly enter for what, for entry on what, on the on crash 1000, because it has respect this particular what, this particular level. So what I'm going to be waiting for is for me to, anytime I'm seeing the moving average cross above the upper band, then I know that it's going to be what, is going to be set down bit to bit before giving out a what, a spike. So I will quickly place my take profit one, take profit two. So is either it hits one of the two, then I'm out of the market. So, but currently now we are expecting the market currently now, according to this strategy, it has given me a what, a signal that we are having a what, a sell entry in the down level, because it has crossed the what, the upper band. You see what that really means? So I've already entered this particular trade. I'm supposed to have closed this entry area. So same thing goes to the entry, to the spike area. Once the moving average is reaching the lower band, then this is the right time for me to what, to take down the what, the profit. So now guys, let me quickly close the spike entry that I enter, so that I can continue explain this video. So guys, I've closed it. So I'm expecting a profit on a downtrend now, according to my strategy. So let me show you the profit that I just closed. You see, this is exactly what I just closed. I'm getting about 28.51 right now. So with that, what I did right now. So I'm expecting also this particular trade to what, to come down, and also to what, to take down my what, take profit that I'm going to be setting up for myself. So that's the same strategy. So let me just go back so that I can show you guys how it has already moved in the trade. You see what happened here? One, it's cross above the upper band, then you keep on taking the what, the trade down to you what, you have your take profit area. You see that? So and also you can also wait for the take profit to what, to reach the upper area, which is the second, or which is the second band, so on, before you close it. But I will not advise you guys to wait till then. So it's better you what, you take your profit maybe when the trade reach $2, or when it reach $1, then you can easily close down the trade, depending on how many pairs that you have what, you have open on a particular trade. You see exactly what happened here. We have our what, our entry at this particular area. I told you guys that you are going to be what, you're going to be shifting your screen at the screen. So that's exactly what's happening here. So you are going to be checking out every time. You are going to be having it on this particular what, on this particular envelope. You see, envelope, when we have the letter EF, letter V there, then we are going to be letter, you see that it respect this particular area. And if you can see now, it's straight down the market on a what, on a really downtrend. So that's exactly what happened. And also if you check the spike that confirm at the particular area, you will see that it's also it's what, it's cross below the what, the upper the down bend, then you want to keep on what, keep on spiking on the what, on the spike entry. You see that? So once it's what, is cross below the what, the lower band, then you are good to go for a what, for a spike entry. Same thing also happen at this level. You see what happened here, because it crossed the lower band, and what do you see next is what, is spikes. So no matter how it works, it surely works, because it will respect that level. You see what happened here, it respect this particular level when it was touching the upper band, and what do you see, it keep on taking a what, a down entry. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop wonderful strategy. So guys, I'm going to drop another video on this same strategy for crash 1000 and for boom and crash 500. So guys, you just stay tuned and follow up the rules that I set up inside this video. Don't forget, the first thing I ask you to do is to adjust your screen to the last area which you need it most, and then you can easily get it to the best level that you want, you find an entry. can see now my trade is what is really coming up in what in profit for me. So that's exactly what I need. So thanks guys. So watch out for my next video.